Hey guys, welcome to my my bad. Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did these super quick, super easy. Took me under 20 minutes to do these beachy waves, and I just used it's still on. I just used this thicker wand, and that's all. And it took under 20 minutes. And it's super fast, super easy, and they look so pretty. So if you want to see how I did those, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair into 2 parts. And then I usually tie off 1/2 of my hair. And I always start with the half that this half, just because it has more hair since I do my part on this side. And I'm gonna section it starting with the bottom layer. And I'm gonna take the rest and I'm just going to clip it up like this. Now, I take pieces about this thick because I feel like it's easier, and I feel like it just looks better that way if I take a little bit of smaller pieces. I try to go from the back and then I just wrap it around and I hold it for a couple seconds, and I feel like it's quicker that way too, just because I don't know, I feel like it's just quicker because you do smaller pieces, it's a bigger barrel, and it transfers the heat a lot quicker. And then I just kind of twirl it a little bit, and it's just kind of like a beachy wave, which is really pretty, and I love beachy waves. So again, one more time, I'll just take a small piece and then I put it on the back of my head, and I just wrap it. And I let it sit for a couple seconds. I'm sorry, my dogs are being really crazy in the background. And then I just let it go, just like that. All right, let's do the rest of it. this is what it looks like on this side. And I usually kind of wait to like brush them out until the end. So like once I do this side, and this is the thicker side, and it actually only took me 10 minutes to do it. And honestly though, like, it's so easy. And if you just, hey guys, Bandit, no. Sorry, my dogs are like deciding to be crazy right now. So if you just use like a thick barrel and you take smaller pieces, it'll create that like beachy wave look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And that side took maybe like half the time. So this is what they look like. And now let's brush them out. And I usually just kind of like mess with them with my like hands, with my curls. And I just kind of brush them out like this. kind of mess them up to give that beachy look. And there you have it. Super quick, super easy, beachy waves. I love doing this. It's super quick, especially if you just have somewhere you need to go and you're running late, but you want to do your hair really quick. I just think this is such an easy and quick hairstyle, especially if you don't have like as much hair. But I love it, and I think it's super easy, and I love it. I love how it looks. And doing this while like being sick too has made me feel better about myself, because I've been looking like a zombie. So this has made me feel so good, and I'm glad I did this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.